how to connect CCTV camera using a video balloon and a CAT6 cable, right? So in today's video, we're going to be connecting our CCTV camera using what? Our video balloon and what? CAT6 cable. We have done a video on how to use coaxial cable, this cable to connect a CCTV camera, just this cable to CCTV camera to our DVR. But in today's video, we're going to try another method using what? CAT6 cable and what? A video balloon. So we have this CAT6 cable, we have other cable, we have CAT3 cable, we have CAT5 cable, we have CAT5E cable, we have CAT6 cable and other many types of cable. But this particular cable I'm using now is CAT6 cable. So I'm going to use it to connect to what? This is indoor CCTV camera. Then in this one, this outdoor camera. So in today's video, we are going to connect this using this cable to connect it to video balloon before it will enter what? Our DVR and it will enter what? Our what? Camera. So this is what I'm going to do in this video. So stay tuned. Let's unbox the video balloon and let's do this connection together. All right. So once again, my name is Engineer Isaiah Omoibo, the CEO of Multi Global Engineering Services, where we do solar power installation, we expertise in CCTV camera installation and even electrical wiring systems. So if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel, make sure you share this video, make sure you like it and also comment whatever video you want us to do or any challenges you have. You can reach out to us. Our number is on the screen. At the end of the video, you can check it out, reach out to us on WhatsApp, on call, or any of our social media handle, and we'll help you to resolve that issue. Or you call us for mega installations or training. We do both physical training and online training, and we are here to always serve you better, right? So let's go over to connecting our CCTV camera right away. Let us talk about what we are going to use for our today's connection. Here we have a power supply bus. This is 8-way, 8-channel power supply bus. This is what will give us power supply to each of the camera. You can see it here. We have what? A female power supply. Here we also have female power supply. This is AHD camera. This is analog high definition camera. So we are going to use a DVR and we are going to use our monitor is here, which our television is here. So we are going to connect it using what? Using our HDMI cable. We're connecting it to our DVR where the time comes. We'll be connecting it to our DVR. So, but first thing first, let's go ahead and use CAT6, the CAT6 to connect to the camera. So over here, you can see that the CAT6 cable, I have different strands of cable, the color cable, and I have 4 pair here. We have this 1 pair, second pair, the third one, and what? The fourth one. So in this video, you can see it clearly. In this cable, you can see it clearly that I will have to know the one I'm using on this end and know the color I use on the other end. So the color I use at the end must match with the color I will use at this end. So in case if you want to open, or let's say, how can you open this CAT6 cable? You can use another tool, or if you don't have, you can use your knife. Bring it here. Just give it a little mark and turn it like this, and make sure you don't injure the cable. You can turn it like this. Just give it a mark, and you can see it has opened for me. Then I do what? I will pull it out. On the cable, you have other insulators on the cable. Then you bring your knife. You simply bring your knife. You remove it. So this is, you can see that exactly what I have in this place is also what I have at this other end. So they are the same color. So now we are going to choose what we are going to use for this our camera. Remember, in our camera system, we have the major wires, the major cable that concerns us here is our data cables and what? Our power supply cable is our data plug, power supply plug. So, but in this video, we are going to make use of, this is video balloon. This is a video balloon. And a video balloon helps to give a better image and video quality. So this is what we are going to use. We'll be using this video balloon at the end, at this end of this camera. We're using this other one at the other side of our DVR. Plug it here. So this is what we are going to do in this video. So this is one pair. This is one pair of video balloon. And if you want to use video balloon, it must always go with CAT6 cable. We can use coaxial cable directly to our camera and our DVR. But whenever you are thinking of using CAT6 cable, make sure you get a video balloon. It will be better that way. So now, okay, let's use, first of all, we are going to connect what? This other side of our video balloon. So using our video balloon, we'll be using just one strand, which is one pair. Then we'll be choosing this one. If you notice, you will see that this color of the cable, we have stripes. So here I have orange here. You know, these two cables are paired. I remove it like this, I separate it. So here I have orange. Then in this other one, I have white with the stripes of orange on it. So I will be using these two to connect to my video balloon. This is the video balloon, this is the input. And if you can see my video balloon, they will show it here for you. We have plus, we have minus. It's a DC component, a DC device. Alright, so since we have selected these two for a video balloon, bring your cable stripper or your plier. We use it to open this cable. You do it like this, right? Then you bring your video balloon. Then I will lose it. This is what? This is my positive. You can open anyone. You can choose to open anyone first. Then I have to open my positive. The orange will go to the positive. You can depend to use any of the color coding you choose. Then this is it. Then this is the white that have the stripes of orange. This is my negative part. I'll place it here. This is it. We have many types of video balloon. We have some balloons that you will just press the clip and let it open and remove it and it grip. But this one, they give us a screw, a nut and a screw where you can unscrew it and screw it to make it strong. So this one is strong already. We are done with this side. Then, to be true with this other one, let's choose now. I'm going to choose the blue and the blue stripe with this pair. I'm going to use two pair because our camera needs 12 volt power supply. So let's use one pair for the negative and one pair for the positive. So in this place, we are going to neglect this pair. So we can actually bring it, or we can, when we are done, we can use it to fold it on this place. But now, let's use, for this what we are going to connect to our camera. Alright, so we are done connecting the video balloon. Now let's go to the power supply aspect. Now let's use this blue and the blue stripes. Let's use this, the green. Then we'll use the blue as positive. We'll use the white stripe with green color as our negative. So you can decide to use any color coding in your own, but just know the color you are using on this side, you also use it on this other end. So now, to connect, we have to connect our camera to power supply. We need this plug, power supply plug. This is male. This is the camera has the female receptor. Then this plug is the male. So we are going to plug it here. So we are going to connect this other part to what? To our CAT6 cable. So if you are doing it, you know here we have black, we have red. So first thing, let's connect our red. So you bring your plier or your cable stripper, you open it. Remember, I said on this part, we are going to use the blue and the white as our what? As our positive. So we open it. We open it. We have already opened our red, right? Then we bring it together. Then we'll connect it. We bring it together. Then we do what? We connect it. So when you're connecting, make sure your connection is strong. We connect it. So thereafter, you bring your sellotape, you open it. Bring your sellotape, you open it. You make sure you tape it and close the conductor part so that it will not touch anywhere or cause a form of breach in the system. So we are done on this part. Remember, I said we are using the green as our negative. So this is the green aspect. So we use it. We are now connecting our word negative. So this is our negative part of the cable. So this is it. You can see it. So you can see it already. So this is it. So you bring back your sellotape and you sellotape it. Bring back your sellotape and sellotape it. So, like as I was saying, this we have one pair left. Can use this pair to just round up or to just do it like this or just cut it off. You can decide to cut it off or wind it on these parts like this. So now we are done with this other end of this our what? On this our CAT6 cable. So we have video balloon TBNC connector that will goes to our camera. Then the other side we attach the remaining video balloon and our power supply will come here direct. So on this part, remember this is what we use on our video balloon, because if you make mistake at this other end and the color coding of this side did not tally with this other end, the camera will not come up. There is a mistake or a mismatch of color coding somewhere. So you have to make sure the color coding used on this other end use the same thing on this other end. So remember, we use this on our video balloon. So video balloon always come in a pair, which is two in one. So we have used one on this end. This is the second one on this other end. So what we do is that you can bring your cable stripper or your plier to strip off the conductor part of the cable and make sure the conductor is not always out. Then you can do it like this and do what? Bring your screwdriver. Then let me open my positive. This is my positive line. This is my positive line. Let me open my positive. I put the orange first. Then I will screw it back. I will tighten it. This is it. You can see it clearly. I will now put the negative part, which is this, and I will equally slide in. Then I will screw it back. I will tighten it. Then this is it. So now I am done connecting it. So now this is my power supply channel. This is a 12-volt system. The power supply, the AC will enter it, will plug it to our AC, which is this. Then it's a converter. It will convert the AC to DC. This gives us DC output. On this is minus, plus, minus, plus. And if you count it, this is 12-way. That means 8 cameras can enter this place. So now we are going to use just one channel. Remember the label. This is negative at the end. This is positive. So we are going to, though this part is one channel, this one is another way. This one is 1 way, 2 way, 3 way, 4 way, 5 way, 6 way, 7 and 8 way. So as a matter of fact, we are going to remember what we use. We use this as positive. We use this as negative. So let's go. We bring our plier, then remove it. We strip it open. We strip it open. Are you seeing it? So you bring it, then you make sure that you make sure your conductor are always in. I will bring my screwdriver again. I will come here and I will open. Let's open the positive first. Then I use my blue as my what? Positive. Are you seeing it? This is my blue as my positive. Then the green and the green stripe with the white as my negative. So you have to be careful when you are doing your own so that you will not make mistake from your end. So this is it. Follow the label as the label is here. Negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. The same way you followed it. So now, remember I didn't use this one. I just use it to, I just wind it up on the cable body like this. So you can cut it out. It's the same thing. So now, when I'm done on this place, you can actually extend this your own and make sure this one to the video balloon is way longer, so that in case these two gadgets are not the same place, it will not give you issues. So this is my what? GNC connector. I'll connect it here. So this is it. Then now, onto this other part, this is the first part. This is the first part we connected. So now, let's use indoor camera. This is our camera, right? So let's use indoor camera. The first thing we're to connect, we'll connect what? Our BNC connector to our video balloon. So we'll connect it like this. You can see it. When you insert it in, you lock it. You turn it so that you can lock. If you open it, you return it, then you remove it. But now I want to connect it. I will set it first. I will now lock it. Then I will bring in this power supply. I will do what? I will plug it like this. So this is how it is. So this we have successfully connect our camera to what? CAT6 cable using video balloon. So now we are done with connecting the camera. So let's see and power this our system, and let's see how it's going to look like when you are done connecting the video balloon on the system. Alright, so these are our extensions that we're using as our power supply, source of power supply, AC power supply. So we are going to connect them to the extension one after the other. This for our power supply. So we'll connect it to this place. You can see that it has come up. There's light on it, showing you that it's active. That's on. So this is for what? This is for our DVR. So we'll connect it to this place. Our DVR is on. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to do what? Connect. You know, this is our television. At the back of every television, you will have this. At the back of every television, this is what you will have. You have this HDMI. This what we have here is HDMI 1, HDMI 2. Right? This is VGA. DVR also have HDMI and VGA. So anyone you choose to use, I choose to use HDMI cable or VGA cable. The DVR has the same thing at the back here, and everything will still work. So now let's connect to HDMI 1 of this our television, right? So we connected it. Then we come to our DVR and we connect it to what? This is our HDMI port. Connect it to this place. So successfully connect our what? Our DVR to our what? Our telly, which is our TV. We do what? We on it and see if the camera is live. What we do now, this is our camera, right? So you can see our camera is on, right? Using our video balloon, we have been able to connect and install our camera. You can see it successfully. You can see successfully you are installing. This is our video balloon, right? So this is the camera. So you can see that we have installed the camera, and this is the camera. See my face clearly, right? So I can go and double click on the camera. You can see my mouse. I double click on the camera. So this is our camera. You can see that it is very clear, right? So there are other of my videos, and I'll place on the screen where I've also talked about how to navigate the camera system and every other thing that you will find or you want to search or watch or learn on CCTV camera. So this video just to show you people how to use video balloon and CAT6 cable to connect CCTV camera. So we are done connecting this camera, and we have seen it all, how we use video balloon and CAT6 cable. So let me say this again. When you're using CAT6 cable, make sure you go with video balloon. It is very important. You can use coaxial cable and use it directly to your camera. And again, another thing you should take note is that in using CAT6 cable, if you are exceeding a length of 50 to 100 meters, it's advisable you use a CAT6 cable with video balloon to maintain high quality of your video from the system, coming out from the system. But if you are within 50 meters thereabout, you can actually go for a CAT6 cable. But you can see that coaxial cable is actually 2-in-1, right? While this CAT6 cable is one single cable, but coaxial cable is double. And sometimes coaxial cable is more expensive than CAT6 cable. Depends on where you are getting your materials and how you do your design. So there are some things that we prioritize, or we choose to work with more on when we do what? We choose our materials for work. But one of the advantages is that when you have long distance you want to cover, send the camera far from your devices, CAT6 cable is more preferable and video balloon, so that you can still maintain your high video quality irrespective of your megapixel. It will maintain your video quality, and your power will not drop much. There will not be much of power loss on the system. So that is why somebody recommend CAT6 cable if you are running far distance CCTV camera system in AHD, which is analog high definition camera system like this. But in today's video, we have shown you guys how you can actually use video balloon with what? CAT6 cable. Just one single cable. You have multiple strands, multiple wires on it. Use one part for the power supply. Use the other part for your video balloon. Connect to your video balloon, just like as I've done here. Then you do what? Connect it to what? Your camera on the BNC connector side, and have your camera display. And have your camera display. You can see have your camera display on it, right? So this is how the system actually works, and this is how to connect it, right? So if you get value from this video, or you like what I just did now, what I just teach about now, you can do what? Share this video. Make sure you subscribe to this video. Share this video to other people that want to learn CCTV camera installation, and also like this video so that YouTube algorithm can actually recommend it to more people who are willing and interested to learn, or they are inside, they have issues, or they want to do a design or quotation for somebody, or you don't know how to come about it. This video can help them a lot to come up with something that can help to benefit their life. And don't forget to reach out to us, contact us for installation or training or quotation or design, because wrong or poor design CCTV camera system might not give you the best output of the camera, might not give you the priority or the purpose why you want to install those cameras. But when you consult us as professionals, we are there. We can help you to design a good system that can help you to secure your environment, and also help you to do remote view. And even while you are in one state or this country, you can be outside country or outside Nigeria and do what? Still be assessing your property, assessing your business, assessing your property or your building site wherever you are, and do what? And you'll be getting the real life information, not waiting for somebody or depend for somebody to send you a report. You can be taking your report or your record right from anywhere you are when you have this system or some other CCTV camera types of camera system in that particular place. So don't relax. Feel free to reach out to us. We are always available and always active to come to your aid and help you and support you. All right, I will see you in the next video. God bless you.